This is a firecracker. If you drop it into a hollow steel tube and cover the top with an upside-down dog bowl, the blast will launch the bowl into the air. That's the basic idea behind how a bullet is fired. But a dog bowl has too much air resistance, so you reshape it into a pointed projectile and replace the steel tube with a copper casing. Whenever you want to launch the projectile, you can pack a firecracker into the copper shell and plug the opening with the bullet tip. When the firecracker explodes, the shock pushes the bullet out. But stuffing firecrackers every day is obviously not practical. So, being clever, you replace the firecracker with gunpowder and seal it inside the copper shell in advance. Then you add a small metal cap at the bottom, containing mercury fulminate. When you need to fire the bullet, all you have to do is strike the primer with an iron nail. The impact ignites the mercury fulminate, which detonates the gunpowder inside the shell, sending the bullet flying. However, as the bullet travels through the air, it keeps tumbling, ruining its accuracy and shortening its range. Naturally, you come up with a solution. You find a hollow steel tube and carve spiral grooves inside it. The raised ridges are called lands, and the recessed grooves are called rifling. Now watch the magic happen. You push the bullet into the steel tube, strike the primer, and the explosion drives the bullet forward. As it passes through the rifled barrel, the spiral grooves force it to spin rapidly, keeping it stable until it shoots straight out. But loading a bullet each time is still a hassle, so you design a magazine at the bottom of the cartridge. A spring inside pushes the next round upward as soon as the top one is fired. Next, you replace the iron nail with a proper firing pin, and behind it, you add a hammer and a spring. When the hammer is pulled back, the spring is compressed and stores potential energy. To release that energy smoothly, you invent a clever trigger mechanism. Pulling the trigger releases the spring. The hammer strikes the firing pin. The primer ignites, the gunpowder detonates, and the bullet spins down the rifled barrel and shoots out with precision. Congratulations, you've just invented the pistol.